Welcome to our tutorial on how to see what lists you are on Twitter using your PC. Let's guide you through the steps to discover the lists you've been added to. Start by navigating to your profile page on Twitter. Next, locate the Lists tab in the navigation menu and click on it. Click on the More icon located next to the New List icon to access additional list options. From the drop-down menu, select Lists you're on to view the lists that other users have added you to. By following these steps, you can easily see and explore the lists you are a part of on Twitter, giving you insight into how others have categorized and grouped your profile. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you discover the lists you're on Twitter. Explore the different lists that include your profile to gain a better understanding of how others perceive and engage with your content. Start exploring the lists you're on Twitter today for a deeper look into your online presence and connections.